Hello, this is Dr. Reema Das Mallik. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For all those who are new here, I am an aesthetic practitioner and I am the founder of Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, Northeast's first aesthetic clinic of its kind with state-of-the-art facilities where we provide US FDA-approved treatments. We started the clinic way back in 2015 for bringing in skincare treatments, hair care treatments, and excellent body contouring devices. We expertise in latest technologies for skin rejuvenation, hair restoration, and body contouring to provide personalized, evidence-based aesthetic solution for optimal skin and hair health, to empower individuals with confidence and self-esteem through transformative treatments, to maintain the highest standards of safety, hygiene, and patient satisfaction. Services that we provide are: for skin, we do laser treatments for hyperpigmentation, acne, and aging. We do chemical peels and microdermabrasion. We do Botox, dermal fillers, and thread lips. We also do energy-based devices like radio frequencies and HIFU. HIFU stands for High Intensity Focused Ultrasound. By these methods, we do skin lifting and face rejuvenation. Next, we do hair restoration treatments like PRP, stem cell treatments, hair growth factors, and other medications. We also do hair transplantation or hair restoration. We are the first one to introduce cool sculpting technology in Northeast, and that is a permanent way to reduce your fat that is completely safe and US FDA approved. We also do other treatments like skin tightening and lifting through another technology, which is BTL Axilis Elite. Through that treatment, we can do some skin tightening and skin lifting without any injection or without any surgery. Basically, we work with non-surgical treatments at Illumis Aesthetic Clinic. Presently, we are situated at Zoo Road near Junali, and we have around 4 doctors who are expertise in aesthetic treatments. We also have some technicians who are laser technicians and other skincare experts who help us in our treatments. And we have our HR, we have our front office executives. So we have a total of 15 members in our clinic at Zoo Road. We have another branch at Jayanagar where we exclusively work on hair restoration. We are also coming up with surgical unit at Jayanagar, where we'll be working with plastic surgeons from Pan-India who will be traveling here for providing some world-class treatments like liposuction, hair restoration, blepharoplasty, rhinoplasty. For all those who look for permanent results, can come to the surgical unit, which is situated at Jayanagar. We also have some other centers situated all over Northeast at Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Dibrugarh, and Bongaigaon. At Illumis Aesthetic Clinic, we aim to enhance natural beauty and confidence through personalized cutting-edge treatments in a serene environment. Our commitment is to deliver outstanding results and exceptional experience for all our clients. Looking forward to see you all. Signing off for today, Dr. Reema Das Mallik from Illumis Aesthetic Clinic.